Oh, he went all the way under that time.
He's been under every time.
You go jump over there? You want to jump?
Do it again.
Oh, one more time?
We'll see if they will catch you. You
Mama
want to
wants
catch
to-
Cruz?
Does Mama want to catch you?
Ready, set, go!
You're all happy.
Go over there and
Happy
jump,
boy.
Cruz.
1, 2.
Yay!
You're not supposed to drink it.
Hold your breath when you jump. Okay?
Again,
Colton, you gotta hold your breath.
Go. Go.
hold your breath when you go under.
Yeah. Now jump.
Ready,
Daddy needs to be closer.
You're shivering, buddy.
He was having some fun.
You gonna catch me next?
Good boy. I'll get way back here.
ready,
No, on a knee.
no.
There's
Come over
nobody
here.
there to catch him.
You should stay in the water, you'll be warmer.
Or in the sun.
You just. There you go.
Mama, do it.
Mama,
do
do it.
Push Mama in.
Mama jump in or Mama catch
Yeah,
you?
Mama,
Yeah.
Mama get in.
Which one?
You get in and Mama will jump and you catch her.
Okay, hold on.
Play with toys, Cruzzy?
Okay,
Come on, Mama.
let's go.
Cruz, John will catch you.
Cruz, you want to jump in? He'll catch you. He can dunk you.
Okay, you should go over that way.
That water isn't very
Yeah,
deep.
you don't want to jump in there.
Yeah, you don't want to jump right here, boo-boo. Have Dad to take you over to the deep end. Mama, swim over there.